Hey everybody, it's Auto and Cheaper with 303 Photo and Adventure, and today's adventure takes us to Hillside Cemetery in Fort Lupton. It was established in 1874 when the owner of the land was killed duck hunting. They went ahead and used his land as the first cemetery. Previous to that, they were buried on plots of homestead land, and when they went ahead and did that, they went ahead and moved a lot of the bodies here. So let's go explore and see what we can find. It's another pretty cool one. Looks like pioneers with their infant son carved out of what was a huge old tree. It's pretty neat. Here's Walter Knowles. Died in 1904. Well, the first thing you see when you pull in is this beautiful wood carving of a tree. Really, really beautiful. It is really nice. Very well done. Another pretty cool old one. It's like Haddendorf. It's got a bird on a fence. Boy, some of these are in great shape. Clarence E. was a year old. Died 1903. Now this tombstone's in great shape. It's 1905. I'm gonna get in close so you can see some of the detail. Look at that. It's got love at the top. Sarah Dowdy, wife, died in 1896. Felix Doherty died in 1887. That's his war memorial. Mountain Voles, Black Hawk War. Baby Owen died in 1883. At Rest, Daniel Dottie, died in 1896. Shirley B. Owen, died in 1896. Samuel I. Fast, died in 1879. Looks like this one broke and they just left it in place. See, it's been here a long time. Must be an infant, because it's got a lamb. Addie Beaton died in 1895. It's got the book, so they're religious. Amon, he's got a mouth there. Simon P. Here rests is a woodman of the world. Fairtag, he's another woodsman. There's like a dove right there. Henry Beertag, 1909. Another tree carving. An angel with a dove. J.A. Cheeley died in 1897. Not sure about that one. I can make out died in Chile. Albert Cheeley, son. Shoemaker, born in died in 1898, erected by the woodsmen of the world. Molly died in 1872. And there's Adeline. Not sure when she passed. Mother and father, Hippenstein, died in 1910.